I'm all ready to do my writing today. Yesterday, we did our tree map with Zoe. Now, I have put numbers on each one of these little stems of our tree so I could remember that this will be sentence number 1, this will be sentence number 2, and this will be sentence number 3. You can go ahead and add those numbers if it helps you. And I colored my fish in to make them a little bit more colorful. So I have this next page here. So you're going to want to get this one ready. We're going to be doing a picture up here. Excuse me, but we're going to be doing our writing right down here. Okay. So I want to make sure I can see everything because I'm going to use this tree map to help me with my writing. Now today, boys and girls, I am going to help you with the first 2 sentences. And then the third one, you are going to do all by yourself, okay? So let's see. Let's go ahead and start right up here where it says fish. Remember, on a tree map, we always start at the top, and then we come down. So we have fish. What's this word right here? Can lay eggs. We had 2 words in here we needed. So fish can lay eggs. That's going to be our first sentence. So I'm going to copy fish from the top. You can't see that, but you can see me writing it, okay? If you want to copy it right from your tree map, you can do that, or you can copy it right here from my writing page. Fish. Now, right now, I think I'm going to remind myself that this needs to be a capital. So I'm going to go ahead and make it green. You could do it afterward if you would like to, okay? Fish. What's the next word, boys and girls? Right here under the number 1 sentence? Can. You're right, it's can. So let's do a finger space and write can, C-A-N. If I'm going too fast, you can go ahead and pause, or you could go try and write the sentence all by yourself and then come back and see how you did. Okay, so lay eggs. Fish can lay eggs. So this says lay, this says eggs. So I'm going to put those 2 words here. So lay, finger space, lay, and then eggs, finger space. Yep, I have room over here. If you wrote a little bit bigger than I did, then make sure that you're careful and you don't do a word waterfall. Make sure you come down to the next line. Now, I had room, so I was good. Fish can lay eggs. Oh, I like that number 1 sentence. That sounds really good. And I'm going to make my period red because I want to get my 5-star writing. I have my finger space in between my words. Nice job. Okay, now I'm on number 2 sentence. Now, I want you to notice something interesting with number 2 sentence. It says, fish, what's this word? Have fins, and then we have eyes. So we don't want to say fish have fins, eyes. That doesn't make sense. They have fish, fins have sorry, I got tongue-tied. Fish have fins and eyes. Now, we could just pick one of these words, or we could say and, fins and eyes. I am going to write both words. I'm going to say and, so that my sentence makes sense. Fish have fins and eyes. If you just want to write fish have fins, that would be fine. You could just write that, but you could go a little bit longer and do what I'm doing if you would like a little extra challenge, okay? So fish have. So let's go ahead and do that right here, okay? Fish, we're gonna start again. Fish. And then we're going to, because I'm just copying that down from right here, fish. Then I'm gonna copy this word, have. So I need to do a finger space. So I have it right there, H-A-V-E, have. Okay, now remember, you could just say fins, and then you could stop there. So finger space, fins. If you want to put a period right there and be done with sentence number 2, you can say that, fish have fins. But if you want to do it like I'm doing it and put these extra words in here, fins and eyes, then you can do that with me. Now, does it look like I have room for and right here? I'm not sure. I think I better be safe, and I'm going to come back down to this line down here just to make sure I have enough room. And eyes, finger space, eyes. Eyes is a tricky word that's very hard to sound out, so you could just copy mine, okay? And that's the end of my sentence for sentence number 2. Fish have fins, and eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I did all of my 5-star writing. Green capital at the beginning, red period at the end of my sentence, and I have, yep, I see spaces in between my words. I did a good job on that. Okay, now I'm going to stop right here because I have written 2 sentences. I wrote sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. And remember, today I told you that you were going to do sentence number 3 all by yourselves. So let's check and see what we have so far. Sentence number 1 was fish can lay eggs. That's this one right here. Sentence number 1, fish can lay eggs. Then I had sentence number 2, fish have fins and eyes. That's this one right here, sentence number 2. Fish have fins and eyes. Now, here is sentence number 3. Please read the word if you can. Read this word. And read this word. Okay, did you say fish need water? If you did, that's correct. Now, will you please take the words from your tree map and make your 3rd sentence right here? Don't forget your 5-star writing, okay? I'm going to go do mine, and you are going to go do yours. And when you're all done, you're going to read the entire thing and check to see if you have all 5 stars, okay? After you do that, what do you think Mrs. Schmidt's going to be doing right up here? A picture. So if you do your 3rd sentence and you check off all your 5 stars, then you can do your picture. Okay, go do that now. I'll go do mine, and we'll be back in a snap. I finished my 3rd sentence, and I checked my 5-star writing, and I did my picture. Did you finish yours, boys and girls? Did you say fish need water for your 3rd sentence? If you did, I am very proud of you. Did you check to see if you had capitals at the beginning of your sentences and spaces and your red periods, your punctuation? Did you use neat writing? And does your sentence make sense? Fish can lay eggs. Fish have fins and eyes. Fish need water. Yep, mine makes sense. And I've got a great little picture up here. I hope you did a good job on your writing, boys and girls. I'm very proud of you for doing your 3rd sentence by yourself. Pretty soon, you're going to be able to do all 3 sentences by yourself. Good job today.